Just so you know, this video was shot in May of 2017, so it's almost 2 years old. I had another channel that I had it on, but I decided to get rid of that channel, so I'm re-uploading this video. Just a few disclaimers. This video, I am not a professional, of course, that's why it is a DIY video. Also, I know my mask was upside down, and I also know that I used the wrong caulk around the edges, but I did go back in and redo it after the fact. It's been almost 2 years now. It's not my house. I do not live there anymore. I haven't lived there in over a year. I was staying there for a few months while I was looking for my house to buy. So yeah, I know people are going to complain about me not using a professional, but once again, I'm not investing in something that's not mine. So I just did something to hold me over. Last time I checked, the place was still holding up pretty well. Of course, you know, the paint chips a little bit, but you know, no complaints from the person that lives there now. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. And remember, I'm not a professional, so ease up. Here we have the bathtub. So, yeah, my roommate, when she bought this house, I guess she never used this tub, and whoever the previous owners were, they yeah, didn't do a good job of keeping it clean. So now that I'm going to be using this bathroom full time, I refuse to use this tub because it looks like this. So therefore, I'm going to refinish it, and it's going to be bomb.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You know it.
How was Disney?
It was alright. Got cut short though. Okay.
Alright, talk later.
Bye. Oh, MG. I just scrubbed this daggone tub for like 15-20 minutes. And it is a lot cleaner. I don't know if y'all can see it. But, and this is only like the first step. I'm actually not doing it completely the way that, like, I guess the professional way. I'm not doing it that way that I've seen like a bunch of folks do it on YouTube and stuff, because I ain't got time for all that and I ain't got all that fancy equipment. So I just give a nice good scrubbing. I'm scrubbing down as much as possible. I'm not going to sand it only because this crud cutter, whatever it says, that it cleans and deglosses it without sanding. So hopefully once I put this on there, it'll actually do what it's supposed to do before we actually get the paint going. So once this water drains out of this tub, I'm going to rinse it off again, make sure I wipe it down again another good time. Probably end up scrubbing it again at least one more good time to make sure I get all the funk out of here. And yeah, I just miss being able to take a nice soak, especially after a hard workout. I want to be able to get in the bed and just, not in the bed, in the tub and just soak for a little while. So my roommate only has a shower in her bathroom. That's the main bathroom that we both use. Like, we don't really use this one, but I'm kind of sick using her shower in her bathroom, so I'm gonna fix this one up. I mean, the rest of it looks pretty good, you know, nice and clean. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna fix this tub up, make it my own, and it's gonna be nice and clean and almost brand new. But I gotta make sure I'm not painting over funk and dirt and disgustingness. So back to work. Alright, so this is what the tub looks like now, after scrubbing it forever and putting on some of the clutter or whatever this shit is called. So I'm just gonna wait like 10 minutes for it to dry before I can spray paint it. And I scrubbed this thing thoroughly, but it's like the shit won't come off, whatever it is. But it's been bleached, it's been scrubbed with some OxyClean and everything else. Whew. It's almost that time. I think it's been about 10 minutes, if not, oh well. But gotta get this painting done. I'm gonna shake up this cam. Sorry. This is what we're gonna use. I'm gonna shake this for at least a minute. I was shaking it earlier, so my hair is coming apart. I was shaking it earlier, but I'm gonna shake it for a minute. And then put my mask on and time to get moving. Look at it. It's so white. So white, so white, so white. I'm gonna let that dry. And then I gotta put one more coat down there. The rest of it looks good. Looks good, looks good. Then that little corner over there needs some. For my first time, I think I did good, you guys. Hopefully I got enough paint to cover this. Okay, so I thought I had a lot more paint than I actually did, and I don't. So, I'm just gonna let this dry, and I'm tired, and I really need to shower since it's been a while. Alright, so I'm gonna go get in the shower and leave this how it is. I'll probably go back to Walmart later this evening when I get off work and get another can of paint and finish this off tonight, because right now I'm still sweaty, tired, and I'm over this. Good day. Alright, my bun fell down, but I'm done with this tub for now. So I'm just gonna let it dry while I go get in the shower. And then I'll come out, take this tape from around the edges, put some of the filler, like the spackle, whatever, on the sides to give it a new fresh edge. Pimples. Anywho, and then I'll be done. Alright, so tub is basically all nice and wide. A little putty in that corner, and then that corner goes on pink. It's supposed to dry white. We shall see. Dun, dun, dun. There you have it. Finished product. Nice and white. Those little crevices in the corner over there still need a little bit more work, but it's good for enough for now.